making courgettes kofta. Courgettes are very good for you. It helps in losing weight, it lowers cholesterol levels and also helps in joint pain. It helps to prevent wrinkles. So let's start with the recipe. I'm going to show you. I've got 3 courgettes. I have got 3 potatoes, boiled and mashed. I have got some paneer. I have got about, you can say, 100 grams of paneer. I'm going to mix everything together like this. Potatoes, I have mixed this much. I'll see if I need more for binding. I will leave this much for a minute. And I'm going to put all my paneer inside. And then I'm going to put some salt. 1 spoon of salt. 1 spoon of turmeric powder. 1 spoon of red chili powder. 1 spoon of black pepper. 1 spoon of coriander powder. 1 spoon of garam masala. And I'm going to use my hands to bind all this. If I need more potatoes, I will use all of them. Can you see how I'm making the round like this? And just press it. Take a little bit. Take it in your hand and then just make a round like this. I'm going to turn on the gas now. I'm going to put 1 spoon of oil and I'm going to try to rotate this and put these balls in, the koftas. And let them cook slowly in medium heat. You know, I could make 27 koftas and with very little oil. I've used about, altogether, I've used about 4 spoons of oil. And I also wanted to tell you, if you find it difficult to bind, then you can use corn flour, 1 or 2 spoons. It was fine by me because I put the rest of the potatoes in. Okay, now these are made and I'm going to make the masala for my koftas. I'm going to turn on the gas again and I'm in the same pan. I'm not going to use any oil because I've already used 4 spoons. And you can keep some in the freezer as well. I'm just going to put some cumin seeds, 1 spoon of cumin seeds. I have used 1 grated onion because I'm going to put some in the freezer. I'm going to use ginger garlic paste. I use a small ginger and a small garlic and I made a paste out of it. Just stir it for 2 minutes. I'm going to put 1 spoon of salt. I've used 1 spoon of turmeric powder. And just give it a mix because remember there is no oil, so you have to be careful. The masala shouldn't get burnt. I'm going to put my tomato puree. I used 1 tin tomato to make my gravy. Now you have to keep stirring it. I'm going to put the rest of the masalas. I'm going to put 1 spoon of red chili powder. I'm going to use 1 spoon of coriander powder. I'm going to use 1 spoon of my garam masala. And I'm going to use half of my coriander leaves and half I'll leave it for garnish. I just roughly chopped it. And now you have to keep stirring it for 10 minutes. This is how my sauce looks. I need another 5 minutes and then I can put my koftas in. My masala is ready now. I want my koftas dry, but if you want little water, you can add in water. I want them really dry, so I'm not going to put any water. These koftas, I have put it for freezing them. But if you want to put it in a freezer bag, then you have to put it in the fridge first so they harden up, because if you see, they are really soft because less oil has been used in them, and in the gravy I have not put any oil. I'm going to put the koftas now slowly. But if you have any guests at home, then put the koftas only when they come. Don't put them straight away, otherwise they'll break. Now I am not going to stir much, otherwise they will break, because they are really soft, because remember I have used less oil. I'm going to turn off the gas now, and I'm placing my koftas very carefully. I have made dry koftas. If you want to add water, you have to add before you put these round bits. My son wanted to eat dry koftas, that's why I made it like this. Now this I'm going to very lightly pour on each of them. I'm garnishing it with some coriander leaves, and I'm going to garnish it with some cheese. We are eating this as a starter, but if you want to eat as a main course, then you have to add in some water. I hope you like, and I'm going to try this dish. I have made this as a starter, but if you want to make it as a main dish, then you need to boil some water and then put the koftas in, only when the guest comes. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.